Hello, welcome. Let's go ahead and try this problem. A company rents bicycles to customers. The company charges an initial fee plus an hourly rate. The table shows the total cost to rent a bike for different amounts of times. So if we look at our table right here, we have hours and we have total cost. So for 2 hours, it costs $8. For 6 hours, it costs $20. And for 10 hours, it costs $32. What is the initial fee in dollars that the company charges to rent a bicycle? In this question, we need to learn to identify the key words. What is the key word in this problem that tells us what we're looking for? Initial fee. What is the initial fee that the company charges to rent a bike? So, if we remember what initial means start. Starting amount, or the starting point. So in math, what we use is y-intercept. So we're looking for the y-intercept. So in order to find the y-intercept, we have to think, what is the starting point? How many hours have passed at the starting point? How many hours? It would be 0 hours because no time has passed. So we're asking, how much does it cost to rent 0 hours? In order to do that, we need to fill in the table. So I'm going to make a table over here. Hours and total cost. I'm going to abbreviate it because I don't have space. And I want to know when it's 0 hours. I already know that at 2 hours, I'm at 8, and at 6 hours, I'm at 20. So I need to find my pattern or my rate of change in order to do this problem. So let's see how much it increased. From 8 to 20, that went up $12. And from 2 to 6, that went up 4 hours. So if we think about this problem, it is telling me that for every 4 hours, they charge $12. But I don't want to know how much they charge every hour. I want to know how much every 4 hours. I want to know how much they charge 1 hour. So if I divide both of these by 4, that gives me $3. And if I divide the bottom by 4, that gives me 1 hour. How much are they charging per hour? $3. But that's not asking me how much they're charging me per hour. It's asking me what's the initial fee. So I'm going to use that information to work backwards over here. I don't know how much they charge me for 1 hour, but I know that at 2 hours it was 8. So I'm going to say 8 subtract 3 to go back. How much did they charge me? $5. And then I'm going to do the same thing to work backwards. I'm going to say 5 minus 3 is 2. So what is the initial fee? How much are they charging me to begin with? $2. So the answer on this one would be just 2. That would be what you type into the box right here. 2.